Today is Wednesday, Parashat Tavo. In the parasha of this week, Moshe Rabbeinu tells Am Israel, הסכת ושמע, Israel. הסכת ושמע, pay attention and listen, Israel. היום הזה נהיית לעם. Today, you became a nation, Hashem Elokecha, to Hashem your God. Now, Rashi explains, היום הזה נהיית לעם, בכל יום יהיו בעיניך כאילו היום באת עמו בברית. Every single day, every day, you should consider as if today you came into the covenant with Hashem, as if today we received the Torah. And in truth, when you walk into a Beit Midrash, you walk into a place of learning Torah, or you sit down yourself to learn Torah, you connect not just as something that is happening now or something that is very old that happened many years ago, over 3,300 years ago. Har Sinai, that event of us receiving the Torah is something that continues into eternity, day after day after day, as if today we received the Torah. That's why the Pasuk says, Velo Yasaf, it didn't end. The message that was given there at Har Sinai was not just something historic that we just remember as something that happened in history, as something that we have nostalgic about. No, it's actually something that renews itself every single day of our life. Hayom hazeh, and that idea of Hayom repeats itself many times in the Torah, that the covenant with Hashem, that the Torah, the receiving the Torah is something that is to be experienced newly every day. We reconnect with Hashem, not as a historic event again, but just actually as something that is happening now and very much into the present. And also the Pasuk says, Hasket Ushma. Pay attention, lend an ear. Ushma, and listen. Sometimes you speak to people and they're not listening to what you have to say. They just, all what they have in mind is what they're about to say themselves. It takes a certain amount of focus, a certain amount of the idea to be able to allow yourself to receive the message that is being given. So the Torah also tells us, Hasket, pay attention, heed what he's about to say, lend an ear, Ushma, and listen, and be willing to listen to what the Torah has to offer, because there's a lot that we can gain from listening to the word Torah and following its mitzvot. So, Hasket Ushma, pay attention and listen and absorb what is being said. And every day should be a day that you connect as if today was the day that you received the Torah. Baruch Adonai le'olam, amen ve'amen.